Good afternoon. Lisa Lucky with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty and my daughter,
Laura Lucky.
also with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty. We are here to do a virtual open house this afternoon, and we are at the Golf Villas at Troon North. In Troon North, there are 4 resort areas that have condominium townhomes, so this is one of those 4 areas. And again, this is the Golf Villas, Troon North. The address here is 10222 East Southwind Lane, and we're going to be going to unit number 1023. That unit is in this building right here. This building is building number 5, and we're going to walk up this pathway, and this is actually a driveway, so we can bring you up. So we're going to walk up here, and actually as we walk up, behind us, you'll start to see that Pinnacle Peak is going to be over our shoulder as we rise higher. And then to the left, hey, it's springtime in Arizona. We've got the wildflowers going, but this is part of why Troon North is so famous with the boulder outcroppings. You see the nice saguaro cactus. And we are coming up. There are 6 units in this building, number 5, and we are now at unit 1023. Here's our sign, and again, this is a virtual open house. We all hope you are safe and sound in your homes, comfortably watching us as we guide you through this open house this afternoon. We'll follow Laura up the stairs, and away we go. So one of the things about this particular unit is there is an elevator. So when you park your car, there is an elevator that goes to the different levels. And here we are. Unit 1023. Welcome. And you might turn around real quick before you close the door again, just to see that beautiful shot. One of the bedrooms upstairs is going to be up higher, but it's going to have those boulder outcroppings, plus the sunsets and the city lights over there. Okay. So Laura, I'll let you take over. We're in the main level here.
Yeah, main level. So as we walk in here, you have a family room with a gas fireplace. And your kitchen is also on the main level. And this walks you right out to the backyard. We have beautiful boulders, completely private back here.
Yeah. So one thing great in this particular unit, you guys, this is a really large patio. So come on out. You'll see they have a heater here for the winter time. Got your barbecue.
Little covered area, and then you can soak up all the sun out in the open here.
See all that beautiful outcropping.
You can see Troon there, and then Pinnacle Peak a little farther to your right here.
Oops. Okay. So we're here. We've got a swing out on the porch, but you can see great gathering space here. Room to also have outdoor dining. And again, back over straight that direction, you're going to see Pinnacle Peak. So we are in the greater Pinnacle Peak area. Okay. And also on the main level, you're going to have your kitchen, powder room, and a den or bedroom. Our current clients have been using it as a combination den plus bedroom and a full bath. Come on in.
Breakfast nook here.
Yeah, and this is also your dining area as well. It does have eat-in dining as well with the bar stools. Comfortable kitchen.
Sink, dishwasher, 1 oven here, electric cooktop,
Okay.
built-in microwave,
Yeah.
a nice stainless steel refrigerator on top, freezer on the bottom.
Okay. And if we have any questions coming in, you can let us know if any onlookers have anything in particular they need to know. So this opens back up to your main living area with fireplace. And you also have a nice comfortable area over here for additional seating and gathering. The full bath, which is on this main level, is right in here. We'll let you go in. And so we've got your vanity area, shower tub, and water closet toilet. So this area right here, again, den office. Since there is a full bath right there, our clients also have a day bed here. So it's a combination. They've got a desk in here for doing some work. But then when they have additional company here and they need to use it as a bedroom, they've got the space to do that too. Yes, and then they put in these doors so that this can close off for privacy if it's used as a bedroom. Okay.
Laundry room is also on this level here. So you got washer and dryer.
Okay.
And then this is the elevator. So you press the call button, the elevator will come to your floor. You open this up and you tell it what floor you want to go to, 1, 2, or 3. So you can literally get to every single level of this house without having to go upstairs if you don't want to.
You know what, this is great, you guys. Even if you're not using the elevator every day, but still it's great if you're bringing up groceries or just coming here and with your luggage, etc., to bring it up and down. But right now what we'll do is we're going to walk downstairs to show you where the owner's entry is coming off the garage. And here we go. Okay. All right. So down here, you have a great area for additional storage. They actually have a crib here. There's room for exercise equipment,
Another big storage room in here. And then this is where the elevator picks up from down below.
Yes, so again, this elevator, you can just bring your things right in here. Let's walk outside so you understand how the parking works here. Okay. And the unit has 2 parking places. So you see the 2 cars that are here, they are for unit 1023. So when you park, you're just only a couple of steps away from your door to get inside your unit. Your trash cans are out here. In Scottsdale, your black is your regular trash, and this mauve colored is for the recycle. So the owners, this is a one-way driveway, so you're gonna drive here, park, and then you're gonna continue straight down and exit. So it just makes a circle for the parking for the owners. Okay, so now we're gonna head
Back up to the bedrooms.
Yeah. So one of the great features about this particular unit, you saw that great patio off the back. When we get upstairs, there's 2 additional balcony areas on opposite ends of the building, and with just great views. So here we go. I'm gonna let Laura take the lead. This is all a very open area with this staircase coming up. And we'll stop here at the first balcony. And this particular balcony is looking to the west. So here you will get great sunset and city light views. The owners have taken many pictures over the years, just enjoying incredible sunsets out here. They've been here for 15 years. They've enjoyed it. Their family's growing. So they are looking to get something larger in the area, but they certainly have enjoyed their time here well. Okay. All right, we'll continue.
Guest bedroom up here. With the same view that you have of the balcony, lots of natural light in here. And you also have a closet behind you, and this is, what would you say?
This is queen size
Queen
bed.
size bed.
Yeah.
With 2 tables on each side and a dresser, so good size room here. And the full bathroom is right next door. It's the next door.
So here's your bath,
You have a shower,
shower,
sink.
and the vanity area. And then we've got the master.
Smart thermostats.
Okay, all right. You can see when you get up here, it's just,
Absolutely.
I mean, you feel like you're just right into the floor of the desert, enjoying all the flora and fauna, as we say out here. It is springtime, it's March, so the flowers are in bloom. Spacious master suite. King size bed, 2 bedside tables in here, plus you'll see an additional seating area here. You'll get nice views out here also to the McDowell's and Troon Mountains. So another bonus with this area is your another balcony. So balcony number, or outdoor space, we'll call it number 3. And then from here, if we peer over and look down, you can see the patio where we first started. But then when you look up from there, you can see just what a private setting you have with this particular unit. This is really what Troon North is known for, is these big boulder outcroppings. Again, the desert floor here. We're only minutes.
We got a question?
Yeah, what is the price in HOA fees?
All right, the price on the home is $560,000, and the HOA fees, I'm going to give you the number for the monthly equivalent, which is $318. There are actually 3 HOAs in here. You're going to have one for the golf villas, and then you're going to have one for the resort area. That's where the 4 different developments are for the townhomes here. And then you're a part of the Troon North Master Association. That does allow you to enjoy the private park. In Troon North, there's a private park with tennis courts, pickleball, a little playground area that's also a part of this area. Here at the golf villas, there is a swimming pool as well, a community swimming pool that you can walk to from here.
We are gated.
Yes, and so this is a gated community as well. Okay, we're only like 4 or 5 minutes away from the Four Seasons up in North Scottsdale.
And you can walk to the 2 public 18-hole golf courses at Troon North as well.
Oh, yes, no, very good point. So, yes, we are adjacent, as Laura said, to the Troon North Golf Course. And so 2 public 18-hole golf courses, some of the best public golf courses that you will find in the area. So a nice bonus, and there is dining there that is also open to the public as well. Okay.
And they're doing probably to-go services at this time.
That's right. So let's see, any other questions or anything that you can think
You
about?
want to see the master bath real quick? We'll go back in here.
Yeah, let's go back in. Okay, all right, and so master bath, you've got 2 vanities, a large soaking tub, shower, and then
Nice big walk-in closet.
Laura's going to show the,
And
then the water closet, walk-in closet. So on the size of this unit, it's 3,017 square feet. So 3,017 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath. It was built in 1999. Let's see. Any other questions from the audience, or are we good? Okay. All right. Very good. All right.